देखिए, एक फैसला आने के बाद मैं ये कहना चाहता हूँ, मोदी जी और शाह रिसिग्नेशन देना चाहिए। बड़े बड़े लोग जो आज उनके सिंपथाइजर नहीं है, ऐसे 50 लोगों को ऐसे ईडी का केस डालकर सता। ये ईडी और मनी लॉन्ड्रिंग का केस डाल के उन्होंने कई एमपीज को अपने तरफ लिया, कई राज्यसभा मेंबर्स को लिया, कई जगह सरकारें बनाई।
We will expose this vendetta politics to the streets of this country. Our entire nation is now agitating. Congress party, since 7 years are facing this type of humiliation from ED.
You made a money laundering mention on the quicksand of an absent, elusive FIR. You must remember that courts are not theatres for political scripts. They are temples of due process. From 2014 to 21, 7 long years, and it's recorded, read those paras, 218 to 233. There are written opinions sought and given that no predicate offence is made out. Today, law has spoken louder than noise and facts, because every day we've been having shore and noise based on fiction. You made a money laundering mention on the quicksand of an absent, elusive FIR. No FIR. Investigative overreach has met judicial oversight, and that one is the Constitution. They must remember that courts are not theatres for political scripts. They are temples of due process. This story is a story of political vendetta, of harassment, on facts which are remarkable. Events which have happened much before 2014 lead to a private complaint by a man called Subramaniam Swamy with a summoning order in 2014. From 2014 to 21, 7 long years, and it's recorded, read those paras, 218 to 233. There are written opinions sought and given that no predicate offence is made out. Who gives these opinions? CBI, ED. Obviously, that is the reason why after 2014 you never filed a complaint, official complaint. Only Subramanian Swamy's complaint was there. After written opinion, suddenly, a few days before 30th of June 21, the command comes from the skies. Register an FIR. Register an ECI, PMLA money laundering. It is clearly a command from the skies, because the entire opinion of the agencies is there is no predicate offence. On that command, and we can guess very easily where the command comes from, on 30th June 21, 7 years after Mr. Subramanian Swamy has written again and again that I have filed a complaint, and you have taken a decision not to file an FIR, suddenly on 30th June 2021 an FIR is filed. From 21 to 25, from Sonia Gandhi, Rahul Gandhi, Kharge ji and many others, 55 hours plus 6, 7 hours plus 8 hours, I believe a total of almost 90 hours of interrogation, repeatedly going, and every time they get up and go, there are big surkhiyan, big newspaper reports, to harass, to embarrass, to create a climate. And then comes this judgment which says that, sir, just a little small thing. The financial task force which created the PMLA section 5, all require the predicate offence. Kindly show me the predicate offence. And nobody can find the predicate offence. This head should have rolled for this. Instead, what you will have is justification. You will have appeals on this order, and then comes this nice little new delicious FIR on 3rd of October 25, that is 8 weeks ago or 6 weeks ago. Why the new FIR? And lastly, friends, this is the first one-trick wonder of its kind in PMLA, where there is alleged money laundering without 1 paisa moving 1 inch and 1 property moving 1 foot. AJL, the owner of all the immovable properties, remains the owner from time immemorial, 50, 60, 70 years. AJL is converting a debt to equity. All companies do it by issuing shares. AJL shares are got by a remarkable company designed for money laundering. Young Indian, a not-for-profit company where even if you want, you can't pay paisa of dividend. Where the people sitting there can't draw perks, car, Hawai Jahaz, dividend, profit, salary, nothing. So AJL remains the owner. The shareholding of AJL remains with Young Indian. Young Indian remains a not-for-profit company, and you have this grand, big game of money laundering.
ये पेपर आज का नहीं, 1938 में फ्रीडम फाइटर्स ने एक पेपर को एस्टैब्लिश किया कि आज़ादी दिलाने के लिए, लेकिन ये लोग आज मनी लैंडिंग, सीबीआई ऐसे एजेंसीज को उपयोग करके हमारे कांग्रेस नेताओं को बदनाम कर रहे हैं। खासकर गांधी फैमिली को उन्होंने सताने के लिए ही ये केस डाला है। हमारे बहुत से कांग्रेस पार्टी के नेता और सभी बड़े बड़े लोग जो आज उनके सिंपैथाइजर नहीं है, ऐसे 50 लोगों को ऐसे ईडी का केस डालकर सता और अपना पॉलिटिकली उसको उपयोग करने के लिए कहीं उन्होंने ये ईडी और मनी लॉन्ड्रिंग का केस डाल के उन्होंने कई एमपीज को अपने तरफ लिया, कई राज्यसभा मेंबर्स को लिया, कई जगह सरकारें बनाई। ये सारी चीजें वो किए हैं और आज फैसला न्याय के सत्यमेव जयते हमारा एक ये है स्लोगन, उसके तहत आज ये आया है, तो ये जजमेंट को हम वेलकम करते हैं। देखिए, एक फैसला आने के बाद मैं ये कहना चाहता हूँ, मोदी जी और शाह रिसिग्नेशन देना चाहिए। वो क्योंकि उनके मुंह पे एक थप्पड़ मारे जैसा हुआ है और आज वो ये समझ के राजीनामा देना चाहिए। ऐसे जनता को सताने का काम वो नहीं करना चाहिए। भविष्य में उनको ये मालूम होगा कि ऐसे चीज़ें हम अगर करेंगे लोग चुप नहीं बैठेंगे और ये उनकी बेइज्जती होगी, ये मैं कहना चाहता हूँ।
We will expose this vendetta politics to the streets of this country. Entire nation is now agitating. Congress party, since 7 years are facing this type of humiliation from ED. Our supreme leadership are facing this type of vendetta politics. Now the entire Karyakarta is actually agitated. We are going to show of strength in all over India, because this is clearly an example of how ED is misused by the central government to target the opposition leaders.